Bahai tongbai khazani takuk te buhuk song kha khaya jitono kahamna tongbai nahnai tini kaisa news kwbangma jagao viral wngwi tongo norok saimana baksa bo saimaya wngwi tongkhana tini BJP rok vote khogwi manjakmani abono tui tini Rahul Gandhi social media o pura kuplung khlai viral wngwi tongkha norok abono kisisa nainedi bujiwi naidi sung jefruo budlayo jefruo digla rungo afrubo sung baksa baksa ba soindoho tongkhana baksa wansu kana hayadiba hingke tabuk abo kubida na sengra norok kaham khlai tamohai saka sini Rahul Gandhi Congress ni norok jotono saimano hingke tinini bagui asano situng norok bujinai di tamohai saka jotono no hambai.
Not our data, this is EC data. And EC कह रहा है कि हम फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन करा रहे हैं और उनके डेटा में एक असेंबली में 1 लाख फेक वोटर्स हैं, फेक एड्रेसेस, डुप्लीकेट, फॉर्म 6, अलग अलग तरीके. तो हम इलेक्शन कमीशन से नहीं कह रहे हैं, हम हिंदुस्तान के युवाओं से कह रहे हैं, हिंदुस्तान की जनता से कह रहे हैं, यह आपका भविष्य है, गरीबों का भविष्य है, यह आपके आंख के सामने पूरा का पूरा सिस्टम चोरी किया जा रहा है. और ये ब्लैक, जैसे मैंने बोला, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट है. ये उनका डेटा है, उनकी फोटोग्राफ्स हैं, उनके नाम हैं, उनके डुप्लीकेट्स हैं, उनके फेक एड्रेसेस हैं.
पीटीआई संदीप चोपड़ा जी, माइक दीजिए.
राहुल जी, आपने कहा कि election fraud is taking place across the country, and this is just an example in one assembly constituency. Now you said this is like an atom bomb, and it has come just a day after Nagasaki, was just 80 years ago on the previous day. So how are you going to tackle this, and whether you're considering boycotting polls in the coming times, as one of your key allies has suggested?
We are saying, हम कह रहे हैं कि if the election commission now does not give us electronic voter data, not only of current election, but of the last 10-15 years, and if they do not give us CCTV footage, they are partaking in the crime. Now, if the election commission is not partaking in the crime, I'm absolutely convinced they are, the data is showing they are, they should give us electronic voter lists. Please show me that pile of paper. 6 months. It's taken us 6 months to do this, because they give us data like that. Right? So, we have been saying since Maharashtra, give us electronic voter list for the last 10 years. Let us see it, let us check it. I think the judiciary needs to get involved in this. We need to understand what is going on, because what we love so much, our democracy, doesn't exist. What is the difference between us and other places? Where is the democracy? It's gone. If this is true. Now the election commission is supposed to make sure that elections take place. We have shown, the team has shown without any doubt that they have not done their job in one seat in Karnataka. And the people of that Lok Sabha have had their elections stolen. We believe that this has happened in many seats. Now, the Election Commission has to give us that information. Give the people of India that information. Because if they don't, there are going to be consequences. There are going to be consequences for every single polling officer who's doing this. Doesn't matter how senior you are, how junior you are. One day, the opposition is going to come to power.